The jewelry box is constructed using gold and jade, materials prized for their inherent qualities. Gold and jade possess significant historical value, often associated with wealth and status. Crafting the ornate floral design involves specialized techniques to shape both gold and jade. The design highlights the contrast and harmony achieved through the combination of these materials. The artistry lies in the careful selection and skillful integration of gold and jade. The phoenix motif represents rebirth, immortality, and power. The phoenix holds cultural significance in various mythologies. The jewelry box's phoenix depiction reflects these attributes. The phoenix symbolizes cyclical renewal and overcoming adversity. The craftsmanship of the phoenix sculpture is meticulously detailed. Ancient symbols are engraved around the petals of the flower. These symbols represent concepts like immortality and mystical power. They also signify sacred knowledge within ancient cultures. The origins of these symbols are rooted in ancient traditions and beliefs. Their presence enhances the mystical atmosphere of the jewelry box. The symbols contribute to the overall aura of the artifact.